Yeah, so this was the game we created where this we pressed like there would be characters coming out from the right side to the left, and then we like you have to shoot them out you have to shoot them out so that, or else if they cross until here then you lose. And then after that we made this uh, we made this on the machine learning. And then after that we made this on on a machine learning website. And then after that we used Scratch. Like we opened it in Scratch, and then we put the blocks, the coding blocks, and then we made this so that if you put a dog or a cat image, then it would recognize it and say I'm a dog or I'm a cat. And then here we made a chatbot. So so it was like so it says, would you like to buy a book? Type yes or no. Then if the answer was a no, then it would say, oh, I guess it's my bad day. Or else if it would say yes, or I mean, if you would say yes, then it would say, do you like Harry Potter? If you do, uh, then type yes. If you don't, then type no. If you type yes, then it will say, okay, so it will say the steps to buy, like how to buy. And then if you said no, then it would say, sorry, we only have Harry Potter in store right now. And then over here, we made a mobile app on this. Like, you would click a picture of an object, and then it would recognize what it is. And then these were the badges, and then this was my certificate.